Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to uninstall SQL Server. First, open the control panel on your Windows computer. Then, find the Programs and Features section, which lists all installed applications. Here, you will identify the various SQL Server components that need to be removed. This initial step is crucial for a clean uninstallation process, ensuring you don't miss any core elements. We'll guide you through each part. Once in Programs and Features, select the main SQL Server instance you wish to uninstall. This is usually the largest component. Follow the uninstallation wizard's prompts, which will guide you through the process. After the main instance is gone, it's important to remove the SQL Server setup support files. These files are small but necessary for a complete cleanup, preventing future installation issues. Next, uninstall SQL Server Management Studio if you have it installed. This is a separate application but often used with SQL Server. Also, remove any other associated SQL Server tools or features listed. Finally, manually delete any remaining SQL Server program files and folders from your hard drive. This ensures no residual data is left behind, completing the uninstallation thoroughly and efficiently. After uninstalling all components, restart your computer to finalize the changes and clear any temporary files. For a truly clean system, you might consider cleaning the Windows registry, though this requires caution. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial understanding, a book that can truly change how you think about money is available. Check the description for a link to this book, as well as other helpful deals and resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.